YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will be doing an unboxing of a package that I received this morning, guys, and I'm super happy that it arrived already because I have been waiting for this na dumating, and yes, finally dumating siya, and it's just so timely kasi holiday ngayon. It's Thursday now and walang work, so I'm just home. So ako yung nakatanggap kasi namumblema ako kung sino or kailan nila ma-deliver kasi nga I'm already back to work, like on site na, though I'm working from home pero on site na nga kami ngayon for 3 days and schedule ko Thursday. So it's just so timely na walang pasok, so that's why I'm here and I'm able to receive it. So I'm gonna show you the package that I received. So that's the package, guys. I got it and I did not expect that it's gonna be that huge, no? I'm very excited now to open, so let's go. Alright, guys, so I'm going to unbox this now. I'm very excited. Actually, ito yung in-order ko from the Shopee 5.5 sale. Ito lang talaga yung in-order ko kasi medyo may kamahalan siya. It's pricey for me. And wala naman akong masyadong budget, you know, para mag-order pa ng marami. So, ng ano-ano. So, ito na lang talaga. And I think it's very important. And this one pala is the Deerma DX700 Vacuum Cleaner. I finally purchased this kasi I've been eyeing this for a long time and I've wanted to have one. So, finally, andito na siya. Okay, so let's start unboxing. That this is functioning very well. So here it is. Deerma Vacuum Cleaner. Ta-da! So this is the contents, guys, of the box. So naka-electric fan ako, guys. So alam. So first item. We have these Deerma Cleaner na manual, yeah, instruction. May English ba nito? Walang English, uy. First, go! So here it is. This is it. So this is all the content of the box. So meron tayong accessories, dyan, mga nozzles. Ito yung parang main na vacuum. And then ito naman, another accessory. And then parang ito extender to. And last one is the manual, but it's in Chinese, so I don't know how to read this. Char, sige. Chinese char, so meron parang English, konting English dito. It is great at picking up fine dust rapidly and flexibility for each corner. It is effective storing the dust not back into the living area. Continuous large suction can take away the dust. Char, ganyan siya. Alright. So you can try ko in a while. Alright, guys, so the reason why I decided to purchase this vacuum cleaner because meron kasi kaming pusa sa bahay and yung fur niya nagkakalat kasi so kailangan i-vacuum para mas malinis talaga. And yung binili ko is yung may cord, hindi yung cordless kasi baka yung battery or what, so you know, mas maganda yung ganito. Careful lang naman talaga. You only have to take care of your things para mas matagal gamitin. So it's like that. Okay. Yan. And next is the extender. Extender ba tawag nito or this part? So yan siya. Tagal ko nang gusto na magkaroon ng ganito, guys. And finally meron na. Sana naman, no, ano siya, effective gamitin. Hindi yung isang gamit lang. Nakakalungkot. try natin later. Ito naman is mga uy, ayan. Tadang, plastic siya guys, made of plastic, pero ano siya na plastic, yung medyo makapal na sturdy, ganyan. So I really don't know how to use this, but let's see. So ito siya, suction. Try natin, eh? I-try natin. Ganyan siya. And then, naapa dahil. Giahak eh. Muling di usod. Puta. Okay. Unsa ni siya? Pasaha. Tingnan natin kung ano ang kanyang okay, 220 volts and 50 something to 20 volts na naman siya. Medyo uminit siya dito. So, naana siya nakuha. I don't know if you can see, but naana jud. Oh, my hair. Amazing! Another? Let's try these. Nasa dyan nakuha guys. Nakuha. So, let's use the extending extender. So, anak muna siya here. This part here. And siya. O ba ni? So na siya lock girl dye. Kani siya imo lang ni siyang kuan para ma-remove. Press. Then like that. Diba socialens. So, by the way, now, there ang iyahang andito yung, ano niya, on, off. Kayo na siya, Kana kayo siya, guys. Yan ang abog. Wow! Wow! Okay, guys. So, update. I've been trying this out dito sa kwarto, tsaka sa mismong sala namin, and these are all the things that accumulated sa vacuum. So marami din, and it's effective ha, okay siya. So yeah, look at me. na-streeze guys, na-streeze. Ang daming nakolekta. So, yan notice nyo. May mga parang mapuputing Chuvanes XX Clavush kasi yan yung buhok ng pusa namin. Yan. Pagkaandar ng vacuum, tumakbo din siya kasi natakot. Anyway, yun guys. And nilinis ko na rin yung baba ng namin. Common lang kasi itong namin kwarto. Mga pa dyan. Oh my gosh. So, yun. So, that's it guys. That's for my unboxing and trying out of these Deerma vacuum cleaner. What I can say, okay siya, very effective, and nag-enjoy akong gamitin siya. So, hindi ako masyadong mahilig maglinis ng bahay, but siguro this would really lighten the task. And, yun. That's it, no? Pinagpawisan ako. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and also click that notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Annyeong. Mwah.